I'm here to tell you guys you've got to watch who you trust down here at Hellbilly Hollow. We're here in February for their Cupid's Carnage event. There may or may not be some love or some other things in the air down here. Normally they've got 3 attractions, but they've just got the house open tonight. But they are not holding back one bit inside here, so without further ado, let's get in and get some scares. Stick around to the end to see what happens when you get sacrificed at Hellbilly Hollow.
Oh, what do you got?
Oh my.
Oh. What is that? Okay, we gotta read it. Oh
What
my.
you got? What you got? What you got?
It's a bloody. Oh, die.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's a good sign.
Oh my, what's this one say?
Oh.
What's this one say? It says be mine. Ha! Mine says be mine. Ha.
Yours is nicer
He
than
likes
mine.
me.
No. Oh my.
Oh, who's that?
You be my Valentine,
Maybe? Do you bite?
if you want me to.
Oh my. That's the wrong question to ask tonight.
Yeah, I think so. What happens if you push the button? Because it says push me. I love you.
Oh my. Oh God.
Oh God.
He's coming after you.
Okay.
He's
we're
coming
going
after
this way.
Oh
Are
my.
you sure? Do they look happy?
This young lady right here will begin your tour.
Okay.
And from there, you will descend into Valentine Madness.
Oh.
Or, you know,
Ish.
sub-madness. Yeah.
Gotcha.
We're gonna send you into Magnus the matchmaker.
Magnus.
He's gonna make sure that you're with the right person. But I'd
Oh.
just like to say, welcome to Cupid's Carnage.
Cupid's
Okay,
Carnage.
Carnage is gonna shoot us.
Don't,
Oh,
watch where you're
shoot.
pointing that thing. Oh God.
Magnus.
I got a good pair for you. Let's send them in.
That's all they're live.
Send him in.
Come on in.
Oh God.
Nothing like
All right.
fresh.
Here we go. All right.
You of you over here. How many of them?
2.
There's 2.
Just 2.
I can't see.
Welcome to my hotel. Are we having a good night?
So
Yes.
far, yes.
Would we like a room to stay?
If you don't mind.
Yeah.
Let's see what I can find.
You have 13.
Oh God, the
I
picture
think
is
I
spinning.
just was told 13 is open.
13's
We'll
open.
take it.
Okay.
13 it is.
We're up for 13.
Are we ready to go?
Yo.
Oh.
Seems the hotel
Things
is excited
are-
for your arrival.
Oh God.
Are we ready to check into our room?
I think
Yes.
so.
Are we sure?
I think so.
In you go.
Oh, we're going that
I
way.
was not expecting that.
Oh my.
That's the point.
Oh my.
Oh
In
God.
you go.
Bright light.
And enjoy your
Oh,
stay.
there's a red
we'll
balloon.
try to.
As it will be your last.
It'll be our last.
Oh my God, it's sitting against the wall.
Oh God.
I can't see nothing, Tyler.
Whose room are we in? The closet
There's
of?
somebody whistling. I'm not
my.
going towards the whistle.
Oh, God.
There's the whistle.
It's a freaking clown.
It is. It's a clown in the closet.
Clown in the
It's a
it's a
different
closet
double
clown.
C. Uh-oh, he doesn't look happy.
Oh God.
Peekaboo, are we hiding?
It's okay if you
Are
want to
we
be a clown. You don't have to stay in the closet.
Don't go that way!
Oh,
They're
God.
all gonna die in there! Don't go!
They?
Oh God.
Who's they? Oh no. Oh God. Uh-oh. Oh,
Oh
what is
God.
that?
What the heck?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my.
Dude, what is that? Oh God, do we gotta go that way?
I think so.
Where'd it go? Where'd they go? Hello? Knock, knock. Oh,
Oh my.
Your heart, let me in out of your chest!
that's how we live. Oh, I hear you. Uh-oh.
Oh God.
Valentine's Day's bad, y'all.
Oh my.
I don't know which way to go. I really don't know.
Over in the wine cellar.
I don't know. I guess, yeah. I think I did. I gave it to the crazy people outside. Oh. The wall just gave her her heart. I don't think this is it right. Oh. I don't know about it.
I'm gonna pass.
Let me go that way. You made her mad, Nora. What the hell? They're getting skinnier. The walls are getting skinnier. Oh, something's growling. What is it? distraction. Oh my God. Not sorry. They're not sorry. Oh goodness. Ooh, somebody's been drinking.
And hey, look, this is what I done to my ex.
Oh.
Oh.
Last Valentine's Day.
Last Valentine's
Yes,
Day?
and I need a Valentine's this year.
Not it.
Not it.
Crazy!
Not it.
Yes, I want one of y'all.
Not it.
Not it. Nose goes. Nose goes.
Hey, look.
Nose goes. Not it.
Tyler.
Oh,
We're not
oh, God.
playing tag.
Okay.
Ran into her.
What are we playing then?
Oh, God.
We're not playing tag.
I tagged you.
Balls.
Oh, God.
I could not see her. Oh God, no. Oh, why is it so dark? Oh,
It's very dark.
oh,
It doesn't look dark, but it's dark. Somebody behind me. Somebody's behind me.
Somebody is. I can't even talk. Hey, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh,
Oh, God. They're stalking us.
there they are.
Hey,
I found them.
my Valentine ran off.
No, it's not us.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Can you help
Oh,
me
my.
find my husband?
What do they look like?
He's tall, really handsome.
I think he was back here with that other lady.
Why does everybody say
He was way back there.
He's
No,
back.
he's way over there.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, he may or may not be in a room with a coffin,
Oh.
Oh.
or she may have eaten eggs.
Well, we
Wait,
will
is
tell.
She claims she ate.
Wait,
Is he alive or dead?
I don't know.
You don't know? We gotta find out. Oh, God.
Can we go that way or this way?
If you find Cupid, tell him his wife wants him back.
Okay.
Oh, you do want him back.
You
Okay.
do?
Okay.
Sure. You're so cute when you scream.
Oh, my.
Oh, we did?
No, he wanted someone else.
Oh, no.
Now neither of us was having.
That was.
I got his heart.
Oh.
Why did I do
I don't
that?
know. I'm not real sure.
Oh, my.
Looks like you might have got his heart.
Well, that's what happens when you take somebody's heart. Oh, God.
You made me do it.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
he did.
Your fault.
No.
He did. It was Tyler.
You made me
Do not. You let.
had the heart.
You gotta take. Oh, my.
Your fault.
Oh, I didn't do
Oh,
it.
Jesus.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, my God.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Oh, what do we, I don't have a clue.
Help me!
Okay, I'm not supposed to follow clowns.
I'm in the front of water! Right this way!
Oh God. Tyler, we're listening to a clown.
Oh, God.
Where am I?
Wrong way!
It's upside down.
It is upside
Yes,
down.
right this way!
That's cool.
Oh, my.
Oh, hi.
That's you.
Yeah, Charlie.
Finally come back for me.
Charlie?
I did?
I forgot a friend.
Oh, my.
Where did you take him?
Oh, hell if I know.
I think
don't
I
know.
saw.
Last
I
one to leave
took
me
him
alone.
Oh,
It's ready.
I'm not leaving you.
Oh, my.
Stay with me forever.
Denied.
I'm going this way. What is that? I don't like it. What is that? Oh, and then it just. Uh-oh, something's spinny. Oh.
Oh,
Jesus.
We got visitors.
There's a rotten clown in there.
Oh, my.
This is a
Oh, my.
What is that?
Oh, God.
Oh, he really glows
He's still
in there.
following us. Oh, my.
Shoot, I'm still spinning.
Uh-oh. You set off the alarm.
God, I hear something. Yep. Oh, shit. Okay.
Oh, squeeze.
I don't want to go backwards. What is it? What's in there? Okay. Oh my.
Oh,
Ooh.
Oh, my.
What did we just find?
Oh, you just failed the trip.
Oh, my.
I don't know if you're gonna make it out of here
Guys,
alive.
Sure, I hope we do. Oh, my.
This
There's
hotel's
some
not
kind of
right.
ritual.
I have no idea where I'm going.
No.
We have something
there.
very special here for you this evening.
Oh.
Oh, I'm renewing my vows, my lovely wife here.
She don't look like she's doing too good.
Oh, she always wanted flowers, but I guess she's had to be dead.
Oh. Well, now she's going to be pushing up flowers, huh?
Okay.
Such nice flowers, such nice group of people. What are you doing?
It's on dinner.
Oh God.
Oh.
She's been cheating on me for a while.
Oh.
Well, that ain't nice.
Oh. She was looking for you up there.
First he was Cupid, and now that one.
She
Your
said
wife said she
wanted
still
you.
wants you back.
Yeah. Which way?
Oh, yes, she does.
Oh, there's a coffin. Oh.
Oh, here's the.
Hello.
Here's the cemetery.
Where are you?
Here's the coffin.
Oh,
God.
Jesus.
What's the matter?
I can't see nothing.
You scared us.
Oh God.
Oh,
Now
my.
I can see.
Oh God.
I couldn't
What's he
see
doing?
it.
Oh God.
Put it back.
We're going this way.
Bring the light back.
And plus, you came back for your Valentine.
That's right.
What's the matter? Why are you so jumpy?
Because you're everywhere.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Don't you be lying. I don't trust clowns.
You
For
can't
the
trust
record.
them.
What we have here, people? Come on.
Oh God.
Guys, you're getting lies.
We did.
Oh, you.
Oh God.
I don't know. Because it was dark forever.
Oh, my.
I did. I'm sorry.
Oh, my.
I'm sorry.
Oh God.
Disgrace right now.
Oh God.
Oh my God. It's okay. I forgive you.
They all come after us.
You smell good. Let me put it on my flower.
Oh,
Let me put it on my flower.
Oh God. Who did I smell earlier? Oh my God.
Have you ever smelled yourself? Well, kind of smell like gardenias and fleas.
I think that's a compliment.
Oh, and
Yeah.
dead ladybugs. Dead
Thank
ladybugs
you.
and old wet towels.
Dead ladybugs do not smell very good.
Oh, that's quite the combination, right?
All right, guys, that's enough. Wait, they've got stuff. We appreciate you guys coming out. I love you. We're gonna come
I love
see your
you.
hair salon one of these days. That's why y'all are out here for the hair stuff. Right?
Yes, that's
Marry
it.
me, please.
Leave these people alone. They're here for haircuts.
They said you needed a trim.
No, don't
fairy wedding.
Have a fairy
Don't say that
I
in
don't know
front of
what
us.
that
She'll go
is.
crazy.
Oh my.
Yeah, we don't want to do that,
Say yes.
especially not on Valentine's
Okay,
Day.
yes.
We don't like to talk about it. We really
You're gonna
appreciate.
marry me.
Oh,
Fairy wedding.
yeah.
She said it was a fairy wedding. I don't know what that means.
Yay, fairy wedding, fairy wedding.
Yes,
Fairy wedding. Fairy wedding.
I have so much to prepare. I have so much to do.
Yeah. Well, I gotta get stuff together.
Send help.
Thank you, guys. Be careful. Don't run over anything on your way home. There's a lot of deers around here.
A lot of deers.
Don't do it.
Okay.
Oh no.
Bye.
You going back through for round 2?
Yes.
We don't want it. No.
He said no.
No.
Fine. Come on.
Get in there.
Oh God.
All the blood. Get in there.
Yeah.
Up that way. Up there.
Okay.
Go ahead. Come on.
Oh God.
I don't know
They
what's
kidnapped
happening.
us.
I think they did. They totally kidnapped us. I'm so confused.
Why are you going backwards?
I have no
Go the
idea.
other way.
They sacrificed us.
I don't care about no sacrifice. You
No.
want to go on a date?
No.
Come on,
Oh.
let's go on a date.
No. Where do we go now?
See, y'all just want God's Valentine.
We had to come back for more.
We like Valentine's.
Can you help me find him?
I think we did
We
find
did
him.
find him. He was out there sacrificing people and
He's
doing
lying on
cult
you.
rituals
Everybody
and
has told
stuff.
me 5,000 different stories. Somebody said they ate him. Somebody said he's outside.
They didn't
She
eat
ate
him.
him.
Somebody said he's cheating.
He's doing a ritual.
That doesn't surprise me.
Hi.
But I still need him to like come back and save me.
Oh my. They're surrounding us.
Oh God.
He
Oh my.
left me, so I had to find a way to fill a hole in my heart.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Leave me! Did you see him?
The lady up front said,
You
"Look,
need to find him for
Are
me!
you talking about maybe Cupid? Because it looks like you were shot with the arrow.
All he did was fill in this hole when I know there's nothing else for me!
Filling
Right.
holes.
that
Please help me!
lady out front said love will burn you." That might be what happened there.
Oh,
I feel it!
it's scary. It's so scary.
You never know what's behind you. Oh God.
Like that.
Like those.
She's still looking for you, you know.
She's still
Who's looking for me?
Your wife.
your wife.
My wife is already there.
Are you sure?
Well, somebody back there
Look,
thinks
Maybe
you gotta have options in life. You know what I'm saying?
you have
Options
options.
is death.
she did say you were cheating if you're her husband, so. She said
But
you were.
I am concerned a little bit. I don't think she has legs, so I don't know how she's cheating on me, but I know it's a fact.
Did you enjoy your trip?
I did. We got sacrificed. You sacrificed us.
People call me.
Oh God. Hello, hello.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you do? You have a heart? I would, yeah. Oh, thank you. You
get a
heart. Ooh, yeah. We got heart.
I told you I
You did.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
You go into the lights.
Into the
Or
lights.
you go into the dark.
Yes!
The dark.
The dark! Yay! The dark's the best!
We choose the dark.
Dark, yes.
Like I said, you gotta watch who you can trust out here at Hellbilly Hollow. Had an absolute blast. Make sure you come down and see them for the full show or for one of their off-season events. If you do, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. We're gonna do a bunch more haunts while we're down here in Alabama. I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.